mentioned a little bit earlier about data management. Effective data management is going to be really important here. So you're going to have many different departments or many different people working on this. You may have contractors, you may have your own staff, you may have consultants. So having everybody talking within the same language and looking at the same data set will keep everyone moving in the same direction and at the same pace. So an example of what you might have in your system would be your inventory database, your verifications, your water samples as you collect that information, your customer database, so you can reach out to customers and tell them when you may be out there collecting information. And if you're getting into a replacement program, you want to be tracking all of that as well. So having a unified data management platform will be helpful. And what that might look like in a little more detail. So this is, what a typical database might include. So all the information that I just mentioned, customers, inventory, and then getting into the details, some information that we like to store would obviously be the address. So, where is this line located? A unique identifier that could be the property ID up there. So that way you can, pass information back and forth between your existing business systems. It's going to be helpful to collect the installation dates on both the utility side and the private side if you have that. And then materials, of course, are the most important to have in there. And then documenting what the source of those materials is also going to be something that you'll want to collect. So did it come from an as-built? Did it come from a field verification? Or is it an assumed material? And then, tracking that through a dashboard will be helpful. So that way you can see how you're progressing towards that October 2024 deadline, especially if you're performing a decent number of verifications. You want to make sure that you're on track with those.